In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Waze location in 2026. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're cleaning up your app right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and give it a second to fully load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks normal. Once Waze is open, look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This opens up the main Waze menu where you'll find your profile, settings and other options. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings to enter the app's configuration area. After the settings screen opens, scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Privacy. Tap on Privacy to open it. This section controls things related to your data, history, and how Waze stores your locations. Inside the Privacy menu, look for Recent Locations and tap on it. This is where Waze keeps a list of places you've recently searched for or navigated to. When the list opens, you'll see your recent locations displayed one by one. Now take a moment to find the specific location you want to delete. Once you see it, look to the right side of that location and tap on the three dots. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that location. From the menu that appears, tap on Remove. Waze will then ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you really want to delete that location. Go ahead and confirm, and as soon as you do, the location will be removed from your recent locations list. You'll notice the change happens immediately. There's no loading screen and no need to restart the app. The deleted location will no longer appear in your recent list, and Waze won't suggest it anymore when you tap the search bar. You can repeat this same process for any other locations you want to remove. Just tap the three dots next to another entry, choose Remove and confirm. It's quick and works the same way every time. This is especially useful if you share your phone with someone else, want more privacy, or just want to keep your recent locations list clean and relevant. Over time, this list can get cluttered, so deleting old or unnecessary locations helps keep things organized. It's also good to know that removing a recent location doesn't affect your saved places like home, work, or any locations you've manually saved. Those are stored separately and won't be deleted unless you remove them from the saved section. If you don't see the three dots right away, make sure you're inside the recent locations menu and not another privacy option. Sometimes scrolling slightly helps if the list is long. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open the Waze app, tap the menu on the top left, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy, open Recent Locations, tap the three dots next to the location you want to delete, choose Remove and confirm, and that's it. That's how you delete a Waze location in 2026 using your iPhone. It only takes a minute, but it's a simple way to keep your navigation history clean, organized, and a little more private every time you use Waze.